Is Facebook's Meta rebrand a trademark fail? I'm going to spend the next 3 minutes discussing this. I'm Angela Langlotz. I practice trademark and copyright law. If you have trademark or copyright law questions, drop them into the comments below. I'll answer them on a future live video. So the metaverse, the interwebs were all abuzz last week with news of Facebook's rebrand. They are rebranding the parent company as Meta. However, there's already somebody out there who has applied in August for the Meta trademark for a number of computer goods and peripherals. Let's have a look. So this is a small computer company, Meta PC LLC. We can see the company name right down here. They're in Phoenix, Arizona, and they applied in August to use the mark Meta on computers, laptops, portable computers, computer peripherals. We can see all the goods and services here. So basically computers and peripherals. They claim use of this mark back to November of 2020. So where does that leave the trademark situation with Facebook? Now, Facebook they're offering software as a service, basically. The right to download their software onto your mobile phone and post updates. They also have advertising services, so they will allow you to buy space on their platform to advertise whatever they approve you to advertise. You know how that works. What else? So I don't know what else they have planning, but clearly they have decided, like Google with Alphabet, to rebrand the parent company as Meta. So where does this leave the computer guys? Is this a conflict? Actually, I don't really think it's a conflict because it's not normal in the marketplace for us to see people who manufacture computers and computer peripherals also having their own social platform. For example, does Apple have a social platform? I mean, yeah, they have a music service, but again, that's a music service, right? They produce computer peripherals. The music service isn't really a social thing. It's more just a music streaming service. So that's their Apple Music, but then they also manufacture the computer peripherals. There's not this social aspect to it. Who else can we think about? Dell Computer. Dell Computer manufactures computers, but they don't do any sort of social thing in that they have a platform for the public to use for, social media purposes. Who else? If you look at YouTube and if you look at Twitter, neither of those manufacture computers or computer peripherals. So I'm not really sure that there is a conflict trademark-wise between the Meta computer guys and the Meta rebrand of the Facebook parent company. So I don't really think this is a conflict, but nevertheless, I think that Mark Zuckerberg and co. will probably approach the Meta guys and say, hey, we'd like to buy your trademark rights and you can do a rebrand. And I think they should probably just take the money, right? Because if they get their noses all bent out of shape about the Facebook rebrand and try to defend their trademark, they're just going to spend a whole bunch of money and probably lose, right? Because Facebook has endless money to throw at everything. So I think if approached, these guys, boys, just take the money. That's my advice. That's what I think they should do. They should take the money and say, great, we're going to rebrand if it's an issue for them. I'm Angela Langlotz. You can find me online at TrademarkDoctor.net. I'm on YouTube at video.TrademarkDoctor.net/YouTube. I'm also on Facebook, facebook.com/TrademarkDoctor. Find me on TikTok. I'm making short videos there. Just go search Trademark Doctor.